This is one of our oldest off-grid installations. It was developed back in 2017. We are here today to check how it performs, and it looks that everything is as it should be. We have no faults, no issues whatsoever. Natural degradation of our batteries after nearly 8 years in service. But let's have a closer look to the system now. So this is our good old off-grid inverter. This is a 5 kilowatt unit. It's still functioning pretty well. The batteries are fully charged. There is a lot of dust and some spider nets here. They should have cleaned the filters, but it's still okay. In this 8 years time, we had only one fault. We had to replace one of the cooling fans, so the error 01 appeared on the screen, and they just replaced one of the cooling fans. Down there we have the consumer unit with some MCBs. This is the protection of our battery, rated at 160 amps. PV combiner box. There are 9 280 watt solar panels on the roof. And down there we have the gel batteries. They are lead acid batteries, completely closed and maintenance free. Because we set the discharge rate to 50%, we never deplete these batteries, so we use maximum 50% of their capacity. The nominal value is, if I remember correctly, 8 kilowatt hours. Yes, it's a 200 ampere hours battery, so it's 8 kilowatt hours. So every day we get more or less 50% from the batteries. For that reason, they lasted 8 years, and there is still nearly 4 years left. So thanks for watching this video. As I said, it's nice to be power independent with off-grid systems. They simply work. They are nearly plug-and-play systems. All you have to do is to set the parameters correctly, and your products will last for many years.